Hello and welcome to Daddy Fever. Fit Father Project Kettlebell Workout. Let's elevate the intensity and structure it more like an advanced Fit Father Project Kettlebell workout, while still keeping it joint-friendly and smart for long-term fitness. Perfect for men over 30 to 40 or anyone who wants functional strength. Fit Father Project, Advanced Kettlebell Workout, Full Body Burn, 35 to 40 minutes. Equipment needed. Number 1. Medium weight kettlebell, 12 to 20 kilograms depending on fitness level. Mat, towel, water bottle. Warm-up, 5 to 7 minutes. 2 rounds of 30 seconds jumping jacks. 10 arm circles, forward and back. 10 body weight lunges, each leg. 10 air squats. 30 seconds high knees. Shoulder rolls and deep breathing. Main workout, 4 rounds, 40 seconds on/20 seconds OFF. Perform as a circuit with 60 to 90 seconds rest between rounds. Number 1. Kettlebell swings, drive with hips, explosive movement. Number 2. Goblet squat to press, add shoulder press at the top. Number 3. Kettlebell renegade rows, plank position, alternate rows. Number 4. Kettlebell clean and press, alternating, full body power. Number 5. Kettlebell reverse lunge to curl, step back, curl at the top. Number 6. Kettlebell Turkish get up, each side, slower, controlled. Number 7. Kettlebell Russian twists, feet off ground, fast but controlled. Finisher, 2 rounds. Kettlebell Tabata, 20 seconds on/10 seconds OFF. Kettlebell snatches, alt arms. Kettlebell high pulls. Mountain climbers. Squat jumps, body weight. Cool down, 5 minutes. Deep hip flexor stretch. Standing forward fold. Child's pose. Chest opener stretch. Controlled breathing, box breathing. The structure boosts metabolism and testosterone, functional strength and mobility, joint integrity, time efficiency for busy dads. Alright brothers, that wraps up today's kettlebell crusher. If you felt that burn, that means you're getting stronger, leaner, and one step closer to your goals. If you're over 30 or 40 and looking to build real, functional strength without beating up your joints, this is the way to train. Make sure to hit that like it button, subscribe for more smart, time-efficient workouts, and drop a comment below if you crushed it today. Until next time, stay strong, stay fit, and keep showing up like a true fit father. I'll see you in the next one.